Guys, welcome to the e-Business Boss channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I find profitable keywords on Amazon. So whether you're trying to launch a product or you just want to boost rank for a product, make it more visible to your potential customers, this method's going to help you out. This is exactly how I do it. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button. And if you like this sort of content, subscribe to the e-Business Boss channel. Let's get into the video. So guys, what is up? As promised, today I'm going to show you guys how to find profitable keywords on Amazon. So let's get into the method. For this example, this is a completely random product, but I'm going to use whiskey stones. So yeah, this isn't a product I sell, but for any sort of product, whether you're looking to launch or just boost the ranking, you're going to need to find some competing products. So let's imagine that we're looking at launching our own sort of set of whiskey stones, and we want to do some research to find out which keywords are going to be the most profitable for us. So this is the method I use, and I use this method a lot. This is the exact software I use to sort of carry out all of my keyword research really. So first of all, you'll need to find one of the best products in your sort of niche. So you'll need to find the best competing products. For this example, I've highlighted this one here, the Leib's Premium Whiskey Stones gift set. So yeah, they look to be doing pretty well. They're under 2,000 in kitchen and dining, which is a big category. So yeah, you'll find sort of some target products that you'd like to sort of compete with, you'd like to better. And I would normally recommend finding 3 of these examples. Taking data, I'm going to show you how to do that, and put it into a spreadsheet so that you can analyse and basically work out your sort of method of attack, if you like. So first of all, I'm going to copy the ASIN here, and I'm going to head over to the software I use, which is Helium 10. So yeah, it's a really useful tool. I use it every day. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description below. I've even got some discount coupons for you guys. So yeah, if you find this method useful and you want to go ahead, you can use one of those links. They will be affiliate links, so if you purchase anything, I'll make a commission, just to make you aware of that. But this is exactly how I do it. So on Helium 10, one of many very useful tools, but probably my favourite is Cerebro. So if we give that a click. So you'll remember I copied the product ASIN earlier on, so we just want to paste that into this section here. Double check that you're in the right marketplace. We're looking at .com. Hit the reverse search button. So I've done one of these before, but we're going to do a new search anyway. So the searches don't really take too long. Just like that, it looks like we have our data. So what Helium 10 has done, it's gone out and pulled all this information from Amazon, and yeah, it's put it into a pretty useful table for us. Obviously you've got to understand how to decipher this table in order to get the most use out of it. So here's the product. You can search any of your competitors that you like. We can see down the left hand side here, these are all the keywords that it's pulled up. So what we want to do here, the most important column for me, is the exact search volume. So if we give that a click, it's going to search it from highest to lowest. So the highest is basically the most sort of searched for term that Cerebro has found that this product is ranking for. So you can see there's some pretty high traffic keywords here. There are over 26,000 people that have typed the exact search whiskey glass into Amazon in the past 30 days. So that is really useful. The next column I look at is the Cerebro IQ score, and yeah, they explain it best. It's basically an internal score that they give to keywords to show the ratio between search volume and competition. So the higher the score, the better really, because it means there's a good ratio of low competition to high search volume. So this is a pretty good keyword. So what I would do next is I would put this into a spreadsheet. You can do that by hitting the export button, clicking Excel, or whichever format you want it in, and it will generate it. I've already done this, so I'm going to show you guys what I would do next. A few more bits about sort of this table. You can see here how many products are competing for this keyword. This is really useful, and this is actually how they determine the IQ score. So the higher this column is, and the lower this column is, the higher the Cerebro IQ score will be. So that's what we want. We want keywords that loads of people are searching for, but not very many people are sort of optimized for. The next two columns we'll have to explain in another video. It's the CPR method, basically. This refers to the Cerebro product rank method, which is a way of getting to the top of the Amazon search engine. In short, this is the amount of giveaways that Helium 10 estimate that you'd need to give away. Under this search term, you'd need to create URLs, potentially use a URL rotator in order to have giveaways or sales under this particular search term. They're saying here, if you were to do 121 giveaways or sales under that keyword a day, for 8 days it would amount to this many, and that's how you would rank on page 1 for that keyword. So wow, this one is a lot, but pretty interesting stuff. Let's get back to the keyword stuff, because that's what we're all here for. So earlier on, I've put this into a spreadsheet. It will pull it in this format, and yeah, from here, like I say, I sort this by sort of largest exact search volume to smallest, and then I'll go through manually, and this does take time, but I promise you guys it's worth it, and I'll highlight basically the winning keywords that I want to go after. So we're looking for super relevant keywords that explain exactly what our product is. If we go back to the product, we'll see, yeah, that sums it up pretty well. Whiskey stones, whiskey glasses. Cerebro IQ score for whiskey stones is actually pretty good. There's over 15,000 searches a month, so I would say that would be a primary keyword. Most of your sales are going to come from between 3, well, probably 3, but maybe 5 keywords maximum, like 90% of your sales. So it makes sense that we sort of prioritize these keywords, and we'd want to put these in the title if it reads well. I always say readability first, but there is some evidence to suggest that Amazon bears a little bit more weight to keywords that are in the title, and then the bullet points, and then the description last. So what I do here is highlight any primary keywords in green that I want to go after, and any secondary keywords in orange. These would go in the bullet points, and any sort of keywords that are pretty good but not sort of, you know, ones that I'm going to obsess about, I'd highlight in yellow. And what we want to do is build a list of, you know, maybe up to 500 keywords, so that we've got enough to build out our listings. And yeah, this is exactly how I find the keywords that I'm going to use. I hope you guys have found this useful. I really do recommend checking out Helium 10. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. So yeah, if you guys want to give it a try, they have got a free plan that you can use, and yeah, they're pretty good. I mean, I use all of their tools now. I used to use Jungle Scout, but now I only really use Helium 10 because they've got everything there. So I'm going to leave some discount codes if you want to use one of my codes to either save 10% on any plan, or if you want to save 50% on the first month. You can use either eBusinessBoss 10, or you can use, eBusinessBoss 10 will give you 10% off all plans, or you can use eBoss 50, which will give you 50% off the first month only. So actually a correction there, guys, it's actually eBoss 10 for 10% off all plans. I'll make it clear in the description below. Anyway, I've gone on long enough. This is how I find the profitable keywords that I'm going to build campaigns around. I really do wish you guys the best of success on Amazon, so I hope you find this useful. Yeah, there'll be more useful videos from us soon. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you're into this sort of content, make sure you subscribe to the eBusinessBoss channel. There's going to be loads more useful videos just like that. And yeah, if you found it useful, please hit the like button. More from us soon. Thanks for watching.